If your Wi-Fi says no internet secured on Windows 11, this guide will walk you through two powerful and advanced methods that fully solve the issue. First, we'll perform a full network stack rebuild using advanced PowerShell commands. Click the search icon, type PowerShell, then right-click and choose Run as administrator. Now type the following commands one by one on right side of display, pressing Enter. After each command resets a key network component: Winsock for adapters, IP stack for configurations, and DNS for cached routes. Once all commands run successfully, restart your computer, reconnect your Wi-Fi. In many cases, this alone completely removes the no internet secured error. Method 2. Go to Search and type Control Panel. In the Network and Sharing Center, click Change Adapter Settings on the left sidebar. Click Change Adapter Settings on the left sidebar. You'll see your Wi-Fi adapter here. Right-click it and choose Properties. Now, in the list of items, find Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 selected once. Then click Properties. In the next window, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter preferred DNS server: 8.8.8.8 alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS servers, much faster and more stable than the defaults provided by your router. Once entered, click OK. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi is fully fixed using two proven advanced methods. If this guide helped you, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more powerful Windows fixes that actually work.